What's up, guys? We got another load. So we delivered that load to Laredo. Finally got the tire fixed. Got here yesterday. And we're hitting another load. So let's hit the intro and get it going with it. All right, guys. We're done tarping. We gotta wait, put our stuff up. Gotta go weigh it, get our paperwork, and get out of here and go on the road. So let's go do that real quick. All right, guys. So we're fueling up here. Fueling up here in Laredo. They have pumps where you fuel up. The only thing that sucks is that the def is like inside the covered area behind us. So if you need to put def or want to put def, you got to back up and then go that way to exit. We got def enough until our first fuel stop, so we'll be fine. And if I happen to need any, just get a bottle on the way. Because it's winter time, one thing, another little thing for coming to Melton, during winter time, they are winter routes. So even though your initial route suggestion might be that they're sending you through like 80 in Wyoming area, of course that depends on where you have to pick up. In this particular location, going to Washington from Laredo, we don't have to take it's a little longer, it's about 300 miles longer than cutting through Denver, Colorado, 84, 80, 82 into 90 and stuff. So I just double checked it with my DM, and he adjusted the load and the plan and the route suggestions, so that way it adjusts, you know, my mileage getting paid because I'm driving an extra 300 miles. So just things to think about as well if you have it during the winter time. But we're all tarp loaded and we scaled here. They do have a scale here locally that you scale your load just one axle at a time pretty much, and just add them all up, making sure everything's good. But that's it, guys. We're gonna get on the road, put the camera set up for you guys, and we'll be out of here. So let's hit the road. What's up, guys? Good morning. Almost noontime, or good morning. Just doing a quick check here. Little tire check, but we stopped by the Paso terminal. That's where we're at right now. You guys seen that in other videos. If you are coming with Melton and you're going through I-10, either westbound or eastbound, and you need to go to Walmart, do some shopping, best place to stop is El Paso if you're I-10, because if you can get through here at a decent time and you have time on your clock, you can stop here, go to the nearest Walmart. There's 1-2 minutes from here. You can double check and, you know, do a little bit of shopping. Sorry, guys, I'm kind of making sure I saw what I saw. But yeah, you can do a little shopping, get it done, a little grocery shopping. One time we actually went ahead and even pre-order our stuff in Walmart with a time the night before and just picked it up in the morning. So you can do that too with pickup service, where you can drop your, get your truck, drop your trailer, and per PCs, go shopping, do that, and come right back here, and you don't have to worry about truck stop and that kind of stuff. So El Paso is a great spot to do that. You've seen it before, you can see it behind me. Just quite a few trailers. There's a lot of trailers here coming from Mexico this week. A lot of trailers. That's all the yellow tarps are all coming from the border. So if you guys here getting loaded and secure, I know you can probably hear that, but there's a lot of trailers came from across the border. So anyway, we're gonna keep on rolling. I already did my 30 plus, so about an hour between both things. I got a fuel in Anthony, exit 8, and then keep rolling. So let's go there, guys. Sorry guys, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to hear me. I don't have a mic connected to this. We're here in the Kenworth facility. Finally made it. This is kind of a drop and hook to an empty. That they are going to empty that one right over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. While I unstrap this, and then I'm going to hook to that one. So. Funny part that we have. Yeah, I know. It's raining. Gotta take Untarp. The other stuff is getting wet anyway. All this stuff is outside. Always from the front first. Kind of go backwards. I haven't eaten anything. You know what happens then, huh? Yeah. Well guys, we'll go ahead and end the video here. I hope you got most of that. I know it's raining, so the screen map got them wet here and there. Just hope you can see what I'm doing. Not every day is a fun day and a dry and sunny day, but that's what we do in Flatbed. Alright, so I hope you guys are enjoying it. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed and hit that notification bell for new videos, and comment below, let me know if you appreciate the videos. We're almost at 500 guys. I'm super stoked about that, and we're going to be giving away some t-shirts and probably a sweater as well for those on that 500 episode when we reach that. So we'll see you on the next one. Wolf Rider out. Peace.